Hi students, this is the session 3 of the chapter 5. In this we will discuss exercise 5.1. Find the complement of each of the following angles. Complementary angles means what? The angle of two angles addition is 90 degree. Now if one is given 20 degree, then another one will be 90 degree minus 20 degree. Okay, 90 degree minus 20 degree, then it is 70 degree. That one is a complementary angle of 20 degree. Now for this 63, what is the complementary angle? 90 minus 63, and for 57, 90 minus 57. Okay, now second question is find the supplement of each of the following angles. 105, supplementary angles addition is 180 degrees. So 180 minus 105 is nothing but supplementary angle of 105. 180 minus 105 is 75. So 75 is the supplementary angle of 105. Okay, that you should write in your own words. Okay, only 180 minus 87 and here 180 minus 154. That subtraction you have to do and you have to write the answers. Now next, identify which of the following pair of angles are complementary and which are the supplementary. Complementary means what? Addition is 90 degree and supplementary means addition is 180 degree. Now 65 plus 105, 180 degree, so it is supplementary. Here 63 plus 67, 90 degree, so complementary. 102 plus 68 is 180 degree, so it is supplementary. Likewise, you have to add this two and this two and this two, and then if it is 90 degree, then complementary. If it is 180 degree, then supplementary. Okay, then next, find the angles which is equal to complement. Find the angles which is equal to complement. Suppose I'll show you what you have to do here. Suppose x angle, x degree is the angle, then complement angle of this is 3 angle is x 90 degree minus x. 90 degree minus x. Now what you have to do? Find the angle which is equal to its complement. Equal to its complement means the angle x is equal to its complement. So x plus 90 minus x, sorry, equal to x is equal to 90 minus x. Now 2x is equal to 90 degree because x will go here as a plus sign. X will go here as a plus sign, or I'll write here one step. X plus x is equal to 90. X plus x means 2x is equal to 90. So x is equal to 90 divided by 2. So x is equal to 45 degree, or x is equal to 45 degree. That is the angle x which is equal to its complement. Means again, complement angle of 45 is 90 minus 45. 90 minus 45 is 45. Now 45 is equal to 45. So the angle which is equal to its complement angle. Okay, x is the one angle which is 45 degree and which is equal to its complement angle 45. Okay, then the next thing is find the angle which is equal to its supplement. Now what supplement angle means? What? First take one angle x, okay, or you can say y also. Take angle y. Now supplementary angle of y is 180 minus y. Now equal, this and this is equal, so y is equal to 180 minus y. Now y plus y is equal to 180, 2y is equal to 180, y is equal to 90 degree. So angle 90 is equal to its supplementary angle. So 90 is equal to 90. Okay, then next, in the given figure 1 and 2 are supplementary angles. Supplementary angles means 180 degree addition. If 1 is decreased, what changes should take place in a 2 so that the angles will remain supplementary? Okay, 1 will decrease, then 2 has to be increased. 2 has to be increased. Okay. Then next, can two angles be supplementary if both of them are acute angles? Supplementary means what? 180 degree. 180 degree. Now acute angle means what? Less than 90 degree. Acute angle means less than 90 degree. Suppose 80 and 80. Two are acute angles. Addition will be 160, not 180 degrees. So acute angle with the two acute angles can't be supplementary of each other. Two obtuse angle. Obtuse angles means what? Greater than 90 degrees. Suppose one is, I'll take 100, and another one if I'll take 92. Okay, 92 to 9, 192. 192 is greater than 180 degree. So with the two obtuse angle also we can't form a supplementary angles. Okay, then right angles. Right angle means 90 plus 90. Okay, 180 degree. 180 degree means this 90 and 90 are supplementary angles of each other. Okay, supplementary angles means what? Addition will be 180 degree. Then next, an angle is greater than 45. Is its complementary angle is greater than 45 or equal to 45 or less than 45? Okay, an angle is greater than 45. Greater than 45, suppose 90 minus greater than 45 will, I'll take 50. I'll take 50. Then if I'll take 50, then what will happen here? 90 minus 50, 40, means it is less than 45. If angle is greater than 45, if it is 45, then it will be 45. If it is greater than 45, then it will be less than 45. Okay, less than 45. Then next, in an adjoining figure, what is, one is adjacent to the 2, one is adjacent to 2? Yes. AOC is adjacent to AOE. AOC is adjacent to AOE. See, adjacent to AOE. AOC is adjacent to AOE. No. Adjacent means two different angles, but AOC and AOE both are not forming adjacent pairs. Okay, adjacent pairs, so they are not adjacent. Now do COE and EOD. COE and EOD, these two are form a linear pair. Form a linear pair means, see, linear pair means what? The addition of these two angles, this COE, this one, and EOD is 180 degree. So this one is 180 degree. You can see with the protractor also. See, 180 degree total. So this is the linear pair. Now are BOD and DOA. BOD and DOA, these two are the supplementary angles. Yes, addition is 180 degree. So they are supplementary. Is one is vertically opposite to 4? Yes, one is vertically opposite to 4. Yes. What is the vertically opposite angle of 5? 5 is this much angle. So vertically opposite angle is this much. This much means angle 2 plus angle 3. Angle 2 plus angle 3. Okay. Then next, indicate which pair of angles are vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles, this 4 and 1. One pair. Okay. Angle 1 and angle 4. Okay. Now next is angle 5 and addition of angle 2 plus angle 3. This 2 full is vertically opposite angles. Then next, in the following figure, 1 is adjacent to 2. Give the reason. See, 1 and 2 are not adjacent. Why not adjacent? Because the vertex is not common in 1 and 2. If the vertex is common, then they will be the adjacent to each other. So they are not adjacent. Now find the value of x, y, z in each of the following. See here, 55 and x. This one is 55 and this one is 55. X is equal to 55. The reason are, it is vertically opposite to this 55. So vertically opposite. Now y and z is remaining. Now 55 and this one is 180 degree linear pair. Okay, 55 and this y is linear pair. Y plus 55 is equal to 180. Reason is linear pair. Okay, linear pair or supplementary angle also you can say. Okay, now 180 minus 55, 180, see y is equal to 180 minus 55. Okay, 180 minus 55. Now see, this one and this one is also linear pair, so z is also nothing but 180 minus 55. Okay, likewise you have to find out this answer. See, this one is 40, so this one is what? This one is z is 40 because vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. Now the next thing is, see, this total is 180 degree because it is linear pair, or the addition is 180 degree. 180 degree. 40 plus 25 is 65. 40 plus 25 plus x is equal to 180 degree. Okay, 180 degree. Now x is equal to 180 minus 65. Now if we'll find out the x, then y will be, or else another option is there. See, this one is 180, this one is 180. So 180 minus 40. See, this one is 40. So 180 minus 40 is equal to 140. Now y is 140. So x is 140 minus 25. Y is 180. So x is, sorry, y is 140. So x will be y, and this one, no, not opposite. So this one is wrong. Only 180 minus 65 will got the x. Now this y is 140. Y is 140 because this 40 and this z 40 and this y are in a linear pair. Okay. Then next, fill in the blanks. If two angles are complementary, then the sum of their measures is 90 degree. If the two angles are supplementary, then sum of their measures is 180 degree. The two angles forming a linear pair are supplementary or adjacent to each other. Okay. Now if two adjacent angles are supplementary, then they form linear pair. Adjacent angles are supplementary means the two adjacent angles is having the addition of 180 degree, then they can be linear pair. Supplementary means 180 degree addition. If two lines intersect at a point, then vertically opposite angles are always equal to each other. Okay. If two lines intersect at a point, and if one of the pair of vertically opposite angles are acute angles, then other pair of vertically opposite angles are obtuse angle. What? Obtuse angle. Now the next thing, in the figure name the following pairs of angles. Obtuse vertically opposite angles. Obtuse vertically opposite angles. Now vertically opposite angles, and they should be greater than 90 degrees. So this one angle and this one angle. Okay, this one angle and this one angle. Means what? Angle AOD and angle BOC. Angle AOD and angle BOC. Now adjacent complementary angles. Complementary angles means addition will be 90 degree. Addition will be 90 degree and they should have adjacent. Adjacent means with the common vertex and common arm, and common vertex and common arm. So adjacent, complementary adjacent angles. So this one and this one, BOA and EOA. BOA and EOA. AO is common. See, adjacent angles, arm is equal, common. One arm is common, one vertex is common, and non-common arms should be either side of angles. Either side of a common arm. Now equal supplementary angles. Equal supplementary angles. Angle BOE, BOE and EOD. Supplementary angles means what? Addition should be 180 degree, and they should be equal because condition is given, they should be equal. Now this one is 90 degree, this one is 90 degree, both are equal. So BOE and EOD are the supplementary angles, equal supplementary angles. Now unequal supplementary angles. Supplementary angles means what? Addition should be 180 degree. Now see, this one angle and this one angle is addition 180 degree. AOB and BOC, one pair. The next pair is, see, this is line and this two angles. So BOE and BOE and EOD, sorry, they are equal. So we can't say this one over. Now this one AOD and DOC, this one line. So these two are also unequal supplementary angles. Now adjacent angles that do not form a linear pair, adjacent angles but they are not forming a linear pair. These two BOA and AOD, they are adjacent but they are not forming a linear pair. See, EOD and DOC, these are two also adjacent but they are not forming linear pair. Okay, now these two AOC and this one, they are forming a linear pair, so we can't take it. Only two pairs are there. Okay, understood? Then you have to do and you have to write the answers at your own. I just discussed these things. I couldn't solve, but you can. You have to solve it in your notebooks. Thank you, students.